Hello, word listeners. Welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is cheat. It's a B1 level verb that means to act dishonestly. Essentially, to cheat is to behave unfairly in order to gain an advantage, especially in a game, exam, or dealing with someone. For example, if you look at your neighbor's answers during a test, that's considered cheating. Some synonyms for cheat include deceive, defraud, and swindle. For instance, he tried to deceive her into thinking he was wealthy, or the con artist defrauded many people with his fake investment scheme, or she was swindled out of her life savings by a dishonest seller. Conversely, antonyms for cheat include be honest, be fair, and be truthful. For example, it's important to be honest in all your dealings, or the umpire tried to be fair to both teams, or a truthful account of the events is necessary. In everyday life, you might hear someone say, "Don't cheat in the game," or "He was accused of cheating on his taxes." You could also hear phrases like, "He cheated his way to the top," or "She felt cheated out of her inheritance." Some examples in sentences are, "He cheated on the exam by using notes hidden in his pocket," or "The company cheated customers by advertising false information." Using this word in phrases, you could say, "He's a cheat," or "Don't be a cheat." And finally, "They were caught cheating." So, to recap, cheat is a B1 level verb that means to act dishonestly. We covered synonyms like deceive, defraud, and swindle, and antonyms such as be honest, be fair, and be truthful. We explored different ways you can use cheat in real-life situations. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving us a review. Your support helps others find the show. And now, I have a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word cheat and share it in the comments section below. I can't wait to read them.